Hi, Professor Kishbaugh here. I wanted to go into a couple of things. There's been some questions as to what exactly we mean by adding value to your discussion posts. So let me give you a breakdown as to what we're talking about. Value is defined by what is important to you at any given time. It could be something monetary, it could be time, okay? In our course room, value is the time and effort that you put into your discussion response. It's really important that now that you're at the bachelor's level to be providing really not just academic discussion posts, but posts that will, generate some critical thinking, generate your peers to start thinking about issues and start relating those to the material that you're covering. So for your current event discussion, go ahead and find an article related to the current chapter that you're reviewing. It could be if it's related to diversity in the workforce or if it's related to communication. See if you can find something related to that. Make sure the article is current, within the last 3 years would be good. Read the article, and then you might need to reread it a couple of times. And then in the discussion forum, share a brief synopsis of the article. This is not just a regurgitation of the article, but give us a breakdown of what the main subjects in the article that were covered. Identify the main course topic data idea within the article. For example, if the article is about diversity in the workforce, let us know that. Provide your analysis on the topic, and it's going to be a little bit more than just in this article I learned. It's going to be a little bit more like this article discussed workplace diversity, and that means stronger work ethics are needed, maybe more of a communication process needs to be built into the organization. Management needs to be a little bit more sensitive to cultural diversity in the workforce, etc. Come up with some idea, and then tell us, how does the topic relate to management today? When you respond to your peers, make sure that you're saying more than just "I agree." Don't simply restate your peer's post. That is not a good response. What you could do is start your response with a question and then answer it yourself. So don't just simply state an opinion or fact. Discuss your feelings and support with your readings and research. Okay, when I mean opinion, I don't mean come out with something that might be offensive or something that might take a stab at something that someone else is saying. But you can definitely ask questions. Definitely, and then answer them yourself with the data that you can find to support your idea. And a good discussion, a good peer discussion, is going to be one where the peer is going to want to respond to you, and then of course take that time, if they have responded to your response, to go ahead and answer them. So these are just some good things for helping you create value in your discussion post.